In just a few more days, the Football World Cup begins. But I have a question for you. What if you could take a selfie with your favorite football player right now? No, I didn't go to the stadium. I didn't meet him in real life. So then, where did this photo comes from? Stay until the end of this video because before this video ends, you will be able to create your own photo with your favorite football player too. Football is more just a game. For many people, it's emotion. Some people supports Argentina, some supports Brazil, some supports France or any other country. And everyone has a favorite player. Maybe it's Messi, Ronaldo, or maybe Mbappé, or maybe someone else. Today I will show you step by step how you can create a realistic photo with your favorite football star using AI. Here is what you need: a clear photo of yourself, a smartphone, and the ChatGPT or Google Gemini app. Here's an important tip. Use a photo where your face is clearly visible, and if your photo has good lighting, the result will look even better. Now let's start. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT app. Step 2. Tap the plus button below. Step 3. Upload your best photo. Step 4. Now type this prompt. Create a realistic selfie of me standing beside. You will write your favorite player name here. Both of us are smiling at the camera inside a football stadium with the World Cup atmosphere, realistic lighting, and natural facial details. Replace the player name here with your favorite football player. For example, Messi, Ronaldo, Mbappé, or anyone you want. Step 5. Press generate and wait for a few seconds. And wow, look at this! This actually looks real. It feels like you really meet your favorite football player and took a selfie together. Now it's your turn. You can do it with Google Gemini app also. Go to Google Gemini and tap on the create image. Upload your best photo and paste the prompt. Replace the football player name and hit generate. Within a few seconds, you will get your picture with your favorite football player. Create your photo with your football player, post it on social media, and show your support for your favorite team. Now tell me in the comments, which team do you support and who is your favorite football player? Let's see which team wins and the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing AI tricks.